Okay, so it's about, I'd say 3 in the morning or so. I had just caged Voltaire. He's got a dirty beak. Dirty beak. Yeah, dirty beak boy who refuses to go get some water. And I always put him in with my budgies, who are, that is Icicle. That's Voltaire. That's Captain, that's Louie, that's Cutie, and Kiwi is, right there. There he is. Hi, Voltaire. Yes, I know. I'm gonna get you food. And I'm gonna show you what I feed my birds. So I start off with just some typical seed. This is not part of their, well, yes, it is part of their main diet, but in this I mix in a lot of fruits and vegetables, because that is crucial. Stop screaming. That is crucial for your bird's health, that they eat lots of fruits and vegetables, but you also have to make sure that the fruits and vegetables you are giving them are safe for them to eat. Currently, I just have mine on some dark leafy greens, and a lot of fruit, because I realize that that is what they like, but I'm trying to cut down on the fruit because of how much sugar is in it. That's typically what they feed. I also feed the cockatiels up there, Voltaire and the budgies, all the same food, except the bigger birds. This is their feeding cage. I have 2 things set up and just a lot of seed on the bottom, because cockatiels like to graze through the bottom on the ground. So that is scattered about for them, and Voltaire goes for the stuff inside of the feeders. And then with the budgies, I just have water dish and feeding bowls, and then a big feeding bowl where Louie is now, over there. Beautiful bluebird. Look at him. He's gonna go get his peanut, because he dropped it. Yeah. It is almost cage cleaning day. Cage cleaning day, basically, I just pull out the tray, change the papers, make sure their toys are not so poopy. And for their toys, I just have some ladders, things that play on. The budgies don't really care about toys, but when Voltaire's in here, he cares about toys. And that's his favorite. This is the one he came with. He completely tore it apart, but he loves it. He's a very beautiful, beautiful boy. Won't clean his beak. I keep telling him to. He normally listens to me, but he's being stubborn. Didn't want to get in the cage unless I gave him a peanut. So we agreed that he gets a peanut. Very good boy. But also, when you feed your birds peanuts, please be careful that you have washed the shell, because there could be fungus on them that could kill them. Oh, also, I have the bird protector, which just protects them from mites and such, because I don't want any of my birds getting sick. But, so, first for the food, this is orange essence. They like that flavor quite a bit. Then, in with the mix of this, just as a treat, I have this big tote up here with more bird stuff in it, including the feeder I need. I have a sunflower seeds and millet, and because they have been so good, I'm going to give them some millet scattered about in their food. It's just spray millet and some sunflower seeds. Not that many, just about a handful or so for the entire thing. And then I'll break this up. I'll even leave the stem in there with a little bit on it. Just mix it all together. And that's basically it. Other than supplementing them with the fruits and vegetables, that is what I feed my birds. And I don't know why I do it at 3 in the morning, but I do. If you want to see more bird content, please tell me in the comments what kind of videos you want to see. If you like the video, like, subscribe, etc. Follow me on social media. But yeah, please tell me what kind of bird videos or just animal videos in general you want to see, because I do have more pets, including this baby right here, baby Edgar. Oh, cutie. Say bye. Bye. Say bye, Edgar.